How to write a donation receipt letter. Donation receipt letter. Date, May 10, 2019. 2, 8 TTN. Address, postal code, country. Subject, donation receipt letter. To whom it may concern. Dear Mr., Mrs., thank you for your generous donation in the amount of $. Name, Union is a registered non-profit organization. Therefore, your donation is 100% tax deductible. 100% of the donations go to funding the name, high school all-state tournament trip in, month. Please use the IN number above to claim your tax deduction. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me directly. I will be available on phone, T+000, and email at@email.com, in case of any query. Looking forward to your reply. Yours sincerely, name, signature, formal name plus title. Check out and download the template. www.allbusinesstemplates.com